टीवी जगत के बहुत से ऐसे सितारे और हमारे एक्टर्स हैं जो एक वक्त पे बहुत ही नामचीन और बहुत ही पॉपुलर थे, लेकिन विद ड्यू टाइम एंड विद न्यू शोज कमिंग इन इट सीम्स लाइक कि उनकी ये पहचान जैसे कुछ खो सी गई है। काफ़ी लोग उनको जानते हैं और लेकिन नहीं भी जानते हैं। So well, today we have a list of TV stars who were once popular, but many of them are not associated with the entertainment industry, while some are still continuing their journey. Beginning up with Akshata Kapoor. Well, Akshata was a TV star who was popular for her role in Kasam Se. But now, the actress is not seen and is not known to many out there. Mayank Anand. Well, Mayank, if people remember, was popular for her serial Dil Mil Gaye. Well, he was paired opposite to Drashti Dhami, and it seems like that the fans had simply loved his cute chemistry with her. But now where is Mayank? Nobody knows about his career in entertainment industry. Shweta Kaptara, popular for her TV serial Kahani Gar Gar Ki. Shweta in her own time was quite well-known actress. But now, it seems like that the flame has died down to a little, but still a quite handful bunch of people know about Shweta's acting skills. Shraddha Nigam. Shraddha was quite popular for her serial Krishna Arjun. Shraddha has been the ex-wife of Karan Singh Grover, aka our very well-known Mr. Bajaj. Currently, Shraddha is not at all a part of the entertainment industry because for a very long time it seems that she's on a break. Shalini Chandran. Popular for her serial Kahani Gar Gar Ki, Shalini was quite well-known in her own time. Salil Acharya. Salil was quite popular for his acting skills in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Nowadays, Salil is quite the well-known RJ out there जिनकी आवाज सुनना हम सभी को सुबह-सुबह बहुत पसंद आता है. Kiran Dubey. Kiran was quite popular actor in her own time, and it seems like right now, where she is, what she is doing, nobody will have an idea about that. Aditi Wahi. Aditi was quite popular for her serial Lot Out Risha. Kittu Gidwani. Kittu was quite popular for her acting skills and her show Shaktiman. Kiran Dubey. Kiran was quite popular, a well-known actress in her own time, and she is quite known for her acting skills in a show like Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Naushin Ali Sardar. Well, नौशीन को उनके टाइम में बहुत लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा सराहा है, लेकिन अब ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत अरसे से नौशीन हमें टीवी पे नहीं दिखाई दी है. नौशीन was a part of a popular serial Kusum. Karan Oberoi. Karan was a part of Jassi Jassi Koi Ne, aka Armona Singh का डेब्यू शो जो कि हम सभी को बहुत पसंद आया है. लेकिन अब करण कहाँ हैं और क्या कर रहे हैं? एटलीस्ट एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में ही इज नो मोर अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. Shahbaz Khan. Well, Shahbaz is a very well-known villain in the industry and he has played these negative characters to the utter perfection. Shahbaz was popular for his serial Chandrakanta. Sudhanshu Pandey. Sudhanshu has been a part of industry for a very long time, and also he was a part of a music band named as Band of Boys. Well, Sudhanshu enjoys a great female fan following, and the females still date actually rule over this actor. His popular serial these days would be Anupama. Poonam Narula. Poonam was quite popular for her acting skills in her own time and was quite popular and was a part of a serial named Shararat. Divya Seth. Divya was a part of a popular series, a very old 90s show, Dekh Bhai Dekh. Suzanne Khan. Well, people who have been a fan of the old 90s show, or better, Kasauti Zindagi Ki, will totally know Suzanne Khan because Suzanne is one of the lead actor of Kasauti Zindagi Ki who played the character of Anurag in the particular show. Well, till date, when Kasauti was revamped and was again being aired on Star Plus with new characters and a twist in the storyline, the audience was still wanting Anurag to be played by Suzanne Khan. But our current Anurag is being played by Parth Samthan. Well, these were the top list of those celebrities जो अपने वक्त में एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर रह चुके हैं, जिनको फैंस ने बहुत सराहा और सपोर्ट किया है, लेकिन अब it seems like that they are no longer a part of either of the entertainment industry or they have not been a part of the entertainment showbiz business for a very long time, but are doing surely something really good in their personal and professional lives. So you to tell us which one of these were the most shocking ones for you, or maybe you to tell us which one of these did you actually know about. Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates for the Tele world. All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.